Cash App's Cash Out feature allows you to transfer money from your Cash App balance to an external bank account or debit card. As of late 2025, Cash App prioritizes making this process fast and often free. To use it, you link a bank account or debit card to your Cash App. Then, select Cash Out in the app, choose the amount you want to transfer, and select where you want to send it. Most users experience nearly instant transfers to their bank accounts without any fees. Daily limits depend on whether your account is verified. Unverified accounts have lower limits. The Cash Out feature essentially turns Cash App into a digital wallet, seamlessly connecting mobile payments with traditional banking. The core appeal of Cash Out is that it's generally free. While ATM withdrawals through Cash App have fees up to $5.99, most Cash Out transfers to linked bank accounts are free and instant. Exceptions are rare, and Cash App generates revenue through other services. Cash Out is part of a broader trend toward instant, fee-free transactions. Usage surged 150% post-COVID as people prefer digital payments. It's a staple for gig workers and has grown alongside Cash App's Bitcoin features, letting users sell crypto and instantly cash out. Experts predict that Cash Out will continue to evolve, potentially incorporating AI personalization and expanding internationally, although regulatory scrutiny and competition remain challenges.